Cement online connections, new functionalities training, creating multiple orders. In previous versions of Cemex Go, you were required to upload an Excel file with a list of multiple cement products to order. The new multiple orders functionality provides a way to request more than one order without having to upload a list in Excel into Cemex Go. To create multiple orders on one screen, click the Use Multiple Purchase Orders checkbox. In the Purchase Orders field, enter each purchase order numbered followed by a comma. A comma must separate each PO number. Click the Generate button. Cemex Go creates 3 new orders. Complete each field in the orders just as you would for a single order. See the video titled Cement OLC Single Order Training Video for instructions on completing these fields. For this scenario, we have specified that orders 1 and 2 will each contain 1 load. Order 3 contains 5 loads. To add spacing between the loads, enter the number of minutes between each load, or use the plus and minus button to adjust. Please note that the delivery times may vary depending on the availability of the product ordered. To delete one of the orders, click the Delete Order link at the top right of the order. Click the Validate Availability button and proceed with the remaining steps to confirm your order. If you want to see the orders, go to the Order History screen.